What happens when you drink clove water at night? As the day comes to a close and the world transitions into the night, there is a remarkable hidden secret within a simple habit that has the potential to revolutionize your health journey. Picture these humble cloves. By incorporating clove water into your bedtime routine, you have the opportunity to significantly enhance your overall well-being. Join me on this journey to better health starting now. Number 1. Improves digestion. Are you seeking a straightforward and natural method to enhance your digestion? Look no further than the unassuming clove. But how exactly does clove water enhance digestion? In a study published in the 2011 Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers observed that cloves exhibit potent antimicrobial activity against various strains of harmful bacteria, including those responsible for digestive problems such as diarrhea and food poisoning. By inhibiting the growth of these detrimental bacteria, clove water can help maintain a balanced gut flora and prevent digestive disturbances. Furthermore, cloves contain a compound known as eugenol, which has been shown to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes play a pivotal role in breaking down food and facilitating nutrient absorption. A 2013 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry demonstrated that clove extracts rich in eugenol significantly increased the activity of essential digestive enzymes, such as amylase and lipase, in animal subjects. By enhancing enzyme activity, clove water can promote efficient digestion and mitigate discomfort such as bloating and indigestion. Incorporating clove water into your evening routine can be a gentle yet effective means of supporting your digestion. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Moving on to the second point, the anti-inflammatory properties of cloves. Can you envision the delightful experience of savoring the aromatic warmth of cloves infused in a glass of water? This is a tradition that has been passed down through generations, cherished not just for its pleasing flavor but also for its remarkable health benefits. Indeed, sipping on clove-infused water, especially before bedtime, offers more than just a comforting nightcap. But have you ever wondered why? Cloves are packed with eugenol, a potent compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. In a 2012 study featured in the Journal of Immunotoxicology, researchers discovered that eugenol has the ability to suppress the activity of cyclooxygenase, a crucial enzyme involved in the inflammatory response. By incorporating clove water into your nightly routine, you're essentially equipping your body with the tools it requires to combat inflammation more effectively. In essence, eugenol, the hero compound, gets to work by disrupting the inflammation process and soothing your body. The result? Less discomfort and a bolstered immune response. Every sip clove-infused water you take could translate into a healthier and happier tomorrow. Trust me, your body will express its gratitude. Number 3. Antioxidant Rich. Now, let's explore the third remarkable aspect, the rich antioxidant content in clove water. The antioxidant power of clove water can be attributed to various compounds, including vitamin C, vitamin E, eugenol, flavonoids, and gallic acid. These components are high-performance antioxidants, as highlighted in a 2019 article in the Journal of Functional Foods. They excel at neutralizing harmful free radicals. Picture these microscopic free radicals as unwelcome party crashers in our bodies, causing a range of problems from premature aging to disease. During the night, when our bodies are in a state of rest, clove water's antioxidants go into overdrive, diligently repairing our cells. So, the next time you enjoy your nightly clove water, remember, it's not just a beverage. It's your body's superhero in action. If you find this information beneficial, please consider engaging by liking this content, subscribing to the channel, and enabling notifications to remain informed about latest insights and recommendations on health and nutrition. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar. One such extraordinary natural remedy is clove-infused water consumed at night, which can play a significant role in regulating blood sugar levels. Here's why. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and phenolic compounds like eugenol. Studies have shown that these components can increase insulin production and enhance insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor in regulating blood sugar levels. This improved insulin functionality, thanks to cloves, helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. Furthermore, cloves contain a compound known as nigerican, which has been found to assist in moving sugar from the bloodstream into cells, effectively controlling blood glucose levels. During the night, our bodies naturally exhibit higher insulin sensitivity, and clove water acts in synergy with our biological processes, optimizing blood sugar regulation. The beauty of this remedy lies in its simplicity, offering a natural way to assist in managing your blood sugar levels. So, why not give clove water a try tonight? Number 5. Respiratory Health. Cloves naturally contain compounds like eugenol and flavonoids, which possess potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. When you sip on clove-infused water before bed, these compounds spring into action. They have the ability to calm and reduce inflammation in your airways, making breathing noticeably easier. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology discovered that eugenol, the active compound in cloves, can effectively suppress coughs and promote the dilation of air passages. This action facilitates smoother airflow, allowing your lungs to function more efficiently. Isn't it fascinating how such a simple practice as drinking clove-infused water before bed can significantly boost your respiratory health? Take this small step tonight to promote healthier breathing. Remember, it's often the little changes that have the most significant impact. Clove water side effects. While clove water offers numerous health benefits, it's crucial to exercise moderation in its consumption, as excessive intake can lead to certain side effects. Here are potential side effects associated with excessive clove water consumption. Blood thinning. Cloves possess blood-thinning properties, which can potentially increase the risk of bleeding. Individuals taking blood-thinning medications or those scheduled for surgery should exercise caution when consuming clove water. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to cloves, exhibiting symptoms like skin rashes, itching, shortness of breath, or swelling of the lips, face, tongue, or throat. Digestive issues. Overconsumption of clove water may result in digestive problems such as heartburn, stomach upset, nausea, or diarrhea. Hypersensitivity. Some individuals might experience hypersensitivity reactions to cloves, including respiratory problems or, in severe cases, anaphylactic shock. Hypoglycemia. Cloves have the potential to lower blood sugar levels. Consequently, excessive clove water consumption can lead to hypoglycemia, particularly in individuals with diabetes or those taking blood sugar-lowering medication. The following groups of people should exercise caution or avoid clove water altogether. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. While moderate consumption of cloves as a spice is generally safe, pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid large amounts of clove or clove water due to limited research on its effects during these phases. People about to undergo surgery. Cloves' blood-thinning properties can increase the risk of bleeding during or after surgery. It is advisable to discontinue clove water consumption at least 2 weeks before scheduled surgery. Individuals with gastrointestinal issues. Those with a history of gastrointestinal problems like ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, should consume clove water cautiously, as it may potentially exacerbate these conditions. We hope this information helps you make informed choices on your journey to better health. Hopefully these 6 benefits of clove water at night will help you recognize and take better care of your health. If you have any questions or want to hear about the next topic, please comment to let I know. Thank you for investing your time in watching today's video. As always, I extend my well wishes for your health, wealth, and happiness.